Hi, welcome to Mondays with Melissa. Today I wanted to talk about long-term care insurance, claims, and appeals. So what is long-term care insurance? It's a very specialized type of insurance that people purchase in order to make sure they have some source of payment put to the side for long-term care purposes in the future. And most of those policies can be used for home care, for assisted living, and for nursing home care. We see many different kinds of policies come into the office. Some of them cover only a portion of the cost of care. Some of them will cover the full cost of care. Some of them are for 3 years, some for 5 years, some for lifetime. So if you have a long-term care policy, it's a really good idea to take a look at it and make sure you know exactly what type of coverage you have. We, of course, don't sell long-term care insurance, but we certainly can look at the policy with you and even reach out to the insurance company with you to get a very good picture of exactly what it is that your policy covers. Now, some people will come in and still have to do Medicaid planning because they'll still want Medicaid to supplement the long-term care insurance if their care is more expensive than what the insurance policy covers. For example, the policy may cover $150 a day, where the cost of a nursing home could be $550 a day. So we need to be able to make up that difference. But where we really get involved with the long-term care insurance recently is in the claims and appeals, because people are putting claims in and getting denied. And one of the biggest things we see is a denial because they say the person doesn't need assistance without at least 2 of the activities of daily living. Those activities of daily living, bathing, dressing, grooming, toileting, ambulating, is what's used to measure whether or not a person can engage their policy. So many times the insurance company will deny the claim, saying that they don't have enough evidence that the person requires the amount of assistance that is needed in order to activate the policy. So we'll deal with the doctors, getting information and helping appeal that decision. Something else to keep in mind is a lot of these policies have elimination periods. They could be 30 days, 60 days, sometimes they're 100 days, where you do have to pay privately for services prior to actually applying for the claim, putting in for the claim. The policies do cost money. Some of them can be very expensive, but it's always worth looking into. One of the nice features is typically, not always, but typically, when you go on claim, you no longer have to pay the premium. So this type of insurance is different than anything else that you might have, like your car insurance, your homeowner's insurance. There's a lot of nuances that go along with it. So definitely tell you to take a look at what you have and ask questions and really get the information that you need, because there's going to come a time where you need the policy and you need to put in a claim. And oftentimes, again, that claim could be denied, and we need to sit down and really figure out what we have to present to the insurance company to get them to change that decision, reverse that decision. And we've been handling a lot of these recently because a lot of the insurance companies have stopped selling this product. So their back offices are handling the claims and not necessarily people who are familiar with the product. So give us a call if you have any questions, and put them in the comments if you'd like. We'll see you next week.